Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today I'm going to share with you how to make this So Hoppy Together a wobble. But we're going to crank it up a notch a bit. First thing, I want to let you all know that the framelits we're going to be using, it is limited edition. It is while supplies last or March 31st. We got what it's called coordination with the celebration product, and all these are available till March 31st or while supplies last, whichever comes first. So we got the one that we're using today that go with So Hoppy Together. That is the framelit, and we get different framelits in it that go with this set, but it's not a stamp set like the Pad Lily and so on. Now we got a stamp set that it's more than words. That's the stamp set that match with many of the stamp from Celebration. We got Part of My Life, the Part of My Story, I'm sorry, the punch. This one, it's a possibility that it will be carry over in the big catalog, but like I said, it's a possibility, nothing guaranteed. That go with this celebration. So the product, the new product I'm sharing, that it's to purchase, but the coordination you can get them for free with a qualified order. Now, Painted Season, that's a new release on February 15th. We get the main matching framelits. Now, the Yellow Cupcake, this one, it can be free with the qualified purchase. And then we get the matching cupcake. And again, the framelit, again, you get extra pieces in that go with this, but don't have the stamp set, like the dome for the cake stand. And you get little bits and pieces there, so that you even get the little candle. So that's another one. And last but not least, we got the lasting lily framelits that match with this. Lily framelit that match with the lasting lily. So I wanted to bring that to your attention because time it's so short. I won't have time to do many video with them, but you know how to use the framelits, I bet, by now on. So what I done for now, I stamp my frog and I die cut it with my the die. Now I want it to wobble, but when it wobble, I want it kind of the shadow. So we got that there. We're gonna put this on our Stampin'Up about exactly where I want it. All the measurement will be on my blog, so right above or below you get the direct link, and I will have all the measurement. I use both of these pieces. It's Whisper White in heavy, the thick Whisper White. Now what, let me remove this here. What I'm doing, I'm making sure you can feel it that it's in the opening, so then I know it match. So now I'm going to put that exactly where I want it here. So that's going to be a layer. Now what we're going to do is take our platform from the Stampin'Up, close it, remove this, and remove this. Now we're going to take our Memento ink, and excuse me, I do have a frog in my throat. And then we're going to close this here. Now we're going to remove this, et voila. Now we're going to color this, and I'm going to color that with Stampin' Blend, and I'm going to go kind of fast because it's just for the shadow. So I'm going to use my pineapple for the outline of the belly. Then I'm going to go, that's the dark, I'm going to go with the light. And like I said, the belly, we really won't see it because he would have to wobble a lot. Then I got, it's the same color that I used for the other one. I'm going to use my dark, my dark mossy meadow. And I'm just going to do a little bit here. And I'm going to try to color that very fast here. We won't even do the bike because I think the bike's going to be... Then I'm going to go with green apple, no, the light, where is my light? Well, I don't have my light here. I cannot find it in my mess, put it that way. So we're going to use a green apple. We're going to use the dark of that. So it's going to be a little bit different. That's it. So I'm just coloring. I really am not blending there. I'm just adding a bit of color on the frog. So when he moves around, he's not looking naked, put it that way. Then I'm going to take the light of the green apple. The other one I had mixed some of the light of why I want to say memento. It is mossy meadow. Here we go. Oh, we forgot his legs here. And then the eyes gonna be in the dark pineapple punch. Here we go. That's it. I'm just gonna do a little bit of the wheel, the tire here, because I think that will show though when he move around. Here we go. Now let's mount that together. Now we're going to put this at the top here, and we're going to mount that directly. I won't pop that up. I'm just going to put it straight down because the frog going to be popped up. So now what we're going to do is put that on top of each other so then we can match the opening there. And again, I think I said it, but I'm going to say it again. It is the Heavy Whisper White that I'm using for this. And some of you are going to say, well, why you didn't put it right on the, even if it's off a little bit, right on the card base? It's because when you color with Memento, no matter what you're going to do, it's going to go through the cardstock. See? That is blend. So now I'm going to use my card base here. And you know what? We're going to use green for card base. So let me use a green apple. We're going to put a little flashy green back there. So we're going to use green apple for our card base. Changing my mind as I go here. And then for the... the happy birthday or life is too short to eat cake, that's amazing life. And I use this stamp set and I color already my cake. This one here, I had used the punch. The punch won't be available till May. So, I mean April. So that's why I'm like, okay, we're going to use this one. And I was inspired by those colors with by one of my teammates, St. So now we're going to take this and all the supplies, color, measurement for both cards. I'm going to put both cards on my blog. Now we're going to put that right here. See, it is used just the way it is, right? Now we're going to use the wobbler. My wobbler, I got it on Amazon, and on my blog I will have the direct link. It is the Mini Action Spring Peel and Stick Wobble. That one, let's use a new one here. Here we go. Now we're going to take the back of this. When it's more heavy than the other, the heavy part, I like to put it in the back of the wobbler. I think it wobbles more. I can be completely wrong. I'm not an expert at this. I just started using the wobbler not long ago. And right now, maybe this here. Here we go. Oops. Don't cut yourself when you do that. This. Oops. And this. And now I'm going to put that, let's put that in the back of our frog first. Just because then I'm going to be able to see exactly where to put it. because I thought to put it on my card first, but if I do that and I'm off a bit, because this is, we don't have much place to work with this. See, it's about the same width in our frog. Now we're going to take this, match that at our opening. Here we go. See now, so when you move, it really oops, you want to make sure it's glue good. You know what? I'm going to add glue dots to this, just because this glue, maybe it's not as strong as I want, especially if we're going to play with it. So I'm going to add 2 glue dots. Here we go. So I'm going to make sure it's back in the opening there, and give a good, oops. Now, make sure that you don't move when you, okay, press it hard there. Here we go. So now, see how fun it is? Now I'm going to take the cake and I'm going to use a glue dot. And you see I put it about halfway there. And I'm going to fold it back there. And because the glue dot would be too big, I don't want to cover completely as in. And I'm going to put it right there. Et voila. And you see, I didn't stamp my frog straight because I wanted to show that it was trying to balance the cake. Voila, my friend. And then inside, I'm just going to do a white piece and put happy birthday. So, but again, I will have all dimension and all the stuff that I use for this. And my outline here, it's cut with the rectangle framelit. So this is it for my froggy wobbler. So thank you so much for watching. And again, those products are limited time. Have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.